How to install and customize Traveler's notebooks. If you need more space, it's easy to add another notebook refill. In this video, we'll show you a few different ways to do it. Traveler's Company offers nifty elastic bands to help install multiple notebook refills in one cover. Let's get started. First, insert a refill between the existing rubber band and cover. Then place the second notebook next to the first. Open both notebooks in the middle and grip those middle pages together. Slide the connecting band around these pages. You can also use the connecting bands to connect the first and second refill outside of the notebook cover and then insert them into the cover afterwards. First, connect the refills together outside of the cover. Then pull the connecting band down to the spine. Lay the two notebooks flat. Pull the existing band down the center. Another technique is to use the existing binding on the notebook to add an extra refill. Begin by inserting the first notebook as usual. Then tug on the extra elastic to give yourself some more space. Slide the second refill in. In the last method, you can use the elastic that comes with the box to add an extra refill. Start by removing the extra elastic band from the box. Slip it through the cover. Then insert the refill through the band. The Traveler's Notebook Repair Kit is a great set for customizing or fixing your notebook. The kit comes with 6 elastic bands, a metal clasp, and 2 page marker strings. We're going to show you how to change the metal clasp on your Traveler's Notebook and how to replace the rubber band that closes your notebook. How to replace the metal clasp. Pass the rubber band through the 2 holes in the leather cover, starting from the top hole. Next, pass it through the bottom slit, then the top slit. Take the page marker string and make a knot. Pass it through the bottom slit first, then the top one. Cut it at a suitable length. Pass the rubber band and string through the 2 holes in the metal clasp. Pull one end of the rubber band through one of the holes in the clasp. Then take the other end of the rubber band together with the string and pass them both through the other hole in the clasp. Pull the rubber band and string through the clasp. And to prevent the string and rubber band from falling off, tie them together and tighten the knot until it fits inside the clasp. Next, protect the metal part from scratches with a towel or piece of paper. Then use pliers to clamp together the metal part with rubber band and string. Cut off the rubber band and string neatly. How to attach the rubber band. Cut the rubber band at a suitable length and tie it into a loop. Pass the loop through the hole on the leather cover so that the knot faces inwards. If the rubber band is too long, adjust the length by changing the position of the knot. For more information on the Traveler's Notebook and how to use it, check out our guide in the description box below. Thanks for watching!